How to disconnect contacts from Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open the Instagram app and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list, you want to click on Settings, and then click on Account, and here you want to search for Contacts Syncing. Once you find it, click on it, and here you want to turn the Connect Contacts toggle off. Just like I did here, it will give you this confirmation box which says syncing your contacts help you follow friends. Will no longer sync contacts with our system when you disconnect. So just click on the blue text that says disconnect, and that's it. You just disconnected the contacts syncing. So that was it for this video. That's how to disconnect contacts from Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.